Alright, welcome back. We're out here in the shop, gonna have some fun. I have some walnut that I'm gonna get milled up, and I think I'm gonna make a little display case for a knife or two for my gear room. Well, we are certainly having some fun. If you're new to my channel, this is not the most janky setup you're going to see. I'm running short on wood, so for the back of this box, little knife display case, whatever you want to call it, I used a 1/4 inch sanded plywood, and then I just shaved off some veneer out of the walnut and slapped it on top. Alright, my dowels are drying up. Now I'm going to figure out where I want my hinges. And the clear acrylic sheet I'll put in here last, probably after I finish it. I'm going to do a new finish. Hopefully it looks nice. We'll show you that here soon. But yeah, we're going to get the chisels out. So I've got the hinges in. They're on the bottom because I'm going to mount it, and I don't want the hinges up on top where you can see it. And then I've got some rare earth magnets in here. So this has been a lot of fun. This isn't where it's going to go, but I just put it right there for now. Right there is actually where this sign goes. I think I'm going to put it back on this wall, but a really cool piece here for my gear room. I do kind of like it right next to this box that I made with my great-grandpa's old lures, but really fun build. We'll see you soon.